You know, when it's cold, colder than your refrigerator, this is what you do with your brisket to tighten up the fat. Oh. Proclaim the day where we separate. The truth lies in the state. Told of lies, all passions are free. I live my life with this unseen. So we're doing things a little bit backwards. Usually I'd trim my brisket up and then come out and start the smoker. But because it's frigid balls out here, we're gonna do it backwards and let this thing warm up for a while because it's gonna be a bit before Fatty McSmokeStack is up to the task. We got our ThermoWorks temperature probe. We're not using a probe, but we're just using a monitor. First, get yourself a sharp knife, preferably black knife, because black knives are way better, because it's rock and roll, it's punk rock. Nothing says punk rock, nothing says smoke and destroy like a black knife. So get a black knife. Is it better than a steel knife? No. Is it better than a silver knife? Absolutely not, but it's black.
Anyone else is smoking today? You got the mic on?
Did I do that? Son of a bitch. We'll say it came from the butcher like that. Fat trimmings and meat trimmings keep separate. Brisket burgers are a wonderful thing.
Not gonna go on that side, that's the dark side of the brisket.
Is that a Pink Floyd album? Mama and Papa Joe's secret. Seriously, you gotta check his trim videos out. When he is done trimming his briskets, they look like amazing little balls of brisket, baby, ready to snuggle. The trick is to make this thing aerodynamic as possible. See that? When the air comes around here like this, look at this little brisket. Here's how this works. This is beef tallow. If you put it on the smoker, it's smoked beef tallow. So don't get rid of this stuff. We're gonna use some olive oil. It's a brisket, so you can go heavy. Pepper.
So much pepper.
So much damn pepper. No one gives a damn. Just give it a nice even coating. You're almost covering it. This is what creates that real nice bark, black as night bark. Legend has it that these pepper flakes grab onto the smoke, create that beautiful black bark that you see in professional barbecue. A good coating like that and seasoned in the abyss. So I know that this may look like a lot of pepper, and it is a ton of pepper actually. But because this thing is gonna be on the fire for a good 14 hours, the pepper heat is going to cook out. And you're gonna be left with this nice crunch and this bark, heavy, heavy bark. So don't be afraid to lay the pepper on, because these are long cooks. It is not gonna be overly peppery. I'm dying. I'm not crying. You're crying. Fat. We got a lot of fat right here. Brisket is in. We're gonna run this thing at about 200 for maybe 2 hours, and then we'll start bumping it up from there. We've got our stack a third open, 2/3 closed, and as you can see, that smoke is not super dirty, but decently heavy. We want to lay some super flavor on there right off the bat. I see a lot of movies in our future today. Brisket! Waiting for the brisket.
Got about 7 hours into this thing. Look at that bark. It's beautiful. I wrapped it with tin foil. Starting to get a little rough on the back and the front here.
We can do it all again. Man, I miss those old days and the times we used to have. I think about my old friends and I wonder where they've been.
This is my confession video. 21 hours. 21 hours that brisket cooked. I watched more movies last night than I did my whole entire life. I need to get some sleep. Yeah, that wasn't cool. 9-hour rest. And before anyone asks, why are you wearing the same clothes as yesterday? You know. Apparently we like squishing them.
I miss those old days
Oh, juicy.
we used to have. I think about my old friends and I wonder where they've been. Man, I miss those old days and the times we used to.
Got a little bit of dryness on that side. A little crumbly action. Thin slice of the flat. Burnt ends here.
Was it worth staying up till 8?
Yes, it was.
Good. Yep.
Yep. Apparently we're supposed to taste test it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You like that, don't you? That is really good. Super smoky. Bark is fantastic.
Hey, life's gone before you breathe. Don't live with hate
So good.